What?
Okay.
Oh, all right. Come on, buddy.
Come on, Mobe.
Oh, you got this!
Yay!
Yay, Mo!
Yay, Mobes!
It's not doing bad.
Let him go back there so I can catch him.
All right, you ready? Don't lick it.
He's looking at it as he swims. Come on, Mobies!
You
Come on, Mobes!
You got this.
Come on! He's swallowing too much water.
You did it, buddy. You did it, buddy. Oh, you're so good.
Look at his spots.
I know. You did so good. I got you now.
He was taking in too much water as he was swimming.
It's okay.
Turn him around so I can see his face.
You want to throw in a couple balls? They're on the table.
Oh, he's licking himself.
He was looking at me. See?
Moby.
You in the pool? Is this your new favorite place? He doesn't hate it.
No, he doesn't.
I mean, he can swim. Like, swim.
Yeah.
We gonna teach you to be one of those dogs that does dock diving? Maybe. If you're smart enough.
Turn around completely. Oh.
And then the paw to my face.
Moby, you did a good job, buddy.
You wanna go get her? You wanna go get her? Alright. Alright, 3. No, you can't eat the water. Go.
Come on, Mobe.
I'll keep you up a little. Keep some of that water out of your face. Yay, Moby! Good boy! You want to go get a ball off the table? See if he'll try and play with it in the water?
Let's get a ball. You want one of the hard ones or the soft ones?
Both.
Or the football?
Throw a ball in here. What's this? You want that? Nope.
You might chase it in the water if you throw it in the water.
You want it? Hey, you want this? The one thing I'm allowing you to chew on and you won't chew on it?
Well, I think he's a little overwhelmed.